Good afternoon, this is Lisa with Lisa's Landscape and Design, and today we are talking about Althea, also known as the Rose of Sharon, and I honestly think some people call it some other stuff too, I don't know, but anyway, it's awesome, so I wanted to feature it. It is covered in blooms right now, but it honestly will have a whole lot more. It's kind of in between stages. I wanted to get out here earlier and show you, but mine is, I don't know, it's probably about 6 feet tall. And I've kind of treated up it. You can see it's got a base to it. I've had to wire it because it's so heavy. I put it in a path where it probably could have used a little more room, but I really wanted it here. I love the foliage and it's really interesting. So I love this plant. It is deciduous. It is part to full sun. I want to zero in on this beautiful flower. And it's just really cool because I like the leaf. I think the flower is really beautiful. There are many, many different colors. And you can find those here in Austin at a number of different nurseries. I think that you'll find that they're pretty readily available. Deciduous being that the leaves fall off. They do not go to the ground, so this is not one you want to cut back. Just leave the branches where they are. And then in the spring they come right back, and then it goes to bloom pretty quickly. I'd say maybe April, and will bloom all year long. I want to get over and show you, like I'm seeing this fatty here. See, it's like a double bloom. This particular one has a really deep crimson, almost maybe more like a burgundy, I guess, but just a beautiful, beautiful flower. And because they are in a variety of colors, you can't most likely find one that you love. Lavender, there's all sorts of them. So get out there and see if you can't hunt this guy down. Rose of Sharon, or Althea is its name. And make sure that you make plenty of space for it and allow it to do its thing, and I think you will be duly rewarded. Low water, no maintenance whatsoever. Let the leaves fall off, let the flowers come back, sit back and enjoy it, and those are the kind of plants we like. Works real well in the xeriscape landscape, works really well in a more manicured garden if that's your thing, but the nice thing about this is one you can just walk past and enjoy, not have to do a whole lot of work too. So with that, go get your garden on.